Harold, you want an egg? That's good, huh? Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 30th, 2025, 9:30. And it's pretty warm out here. I guess it was 82 degrees. It's gonna be a hot one. Here, Harold wants another egg. That's what I got for you right now, buddy. All the waters are taken care of. And dog wasn't barking at the Billy goes. Barking at the bird. She's got a thing for birds. It's about 9:50 a.m. and temperature is like 84 degrees. So it's getting hot quick. It's supposed to be up to like 97 today. So we'll be checking on the water dishes for the animals throughout the day because of the heat, and make sure they get plenty of water. Saturday we got Italian Fest here